Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can turn your image or photo in the Pixlr Photo Editor in a 16:9 widescreen photo or image. So let us get started. So guys, there are three different ways how you can do this. Let me go with that example image or photo here depicting a beautiful white fox. So option number one, changing your image size. Make sure that your image layer to the right is not locked, and if that's the case we can start. So select your image layer and click into image in the top left and select image size. After that, disable or turn off the aspect constraint feature so that you may apply a custom width and height. So a typical 16:9 wide screen width and height would be 3840 px by 2160. Click into apply below, wait for Pixlr to apply it, and as you can see now your photo has been converted into 16:9. However guys, I don't like that. I think it looks pretty distorted, so let us go with option number two and undo this really quickly by pressing Ctrl Z. So option number two would be to simply resize your canvas and to adjust the image accordingly. So what you want to do is again select your image layer, click into image in the top left, but this time select canvas size, and again select your 16:9 aspect ratio and apply it to your canvas. So let us go again with 3840 px by 2160, and after that click into apply. And what you want to do next is zoom out a bit and now use these corners, for example, or edges of your image to simply resize it according to your canvas so that it fits in your canvas. If you press and hold left shift, you will be able to stabilize it just like that, or you do it simply without stabilizing it. And for example, find your preferred setup. So let me go with setup like this so that it looks almost perfect. So now it doesn't look that as distorted as in the previous or in option one. So that would be option number two, guys, and then we have also option number three. Let me just undo this really quickly and return to the default image. Option number three would be to use simply the cropping tool here to the left. Again, select your image layer and select after that the cropping tool here to the left panel, and simply use these corners and edges again. Let me just zoom in a bit to find your preferred setup. You can go with ratio, size, or a free constraint here at the top, and simply let me go with free, but if you select ratio, the aspect ratio will be kept so that you may use that window here, for example, or use size, and again simply enter your custom width and height here, or go with a preset 16:9 widescreen preset. There you go. Now simply move that window here while keeping the aspect ratio of the background image, and after that click into apply, and that is going to crop or trim your image like this. Now you can move your background image and find your best position here. And that's it. That's option number three, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.